Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, G Iron Flash. So, ngayon i-upload ko to sa YouTube. So, like naman na, tas comment. Let's go upstairs in my bed. Let's go. Wow. It's so nice. What is this? A socks? Socks? Oh. Just a little bit longer. This is 1. And this is 2. And this is 3. Yan, buksan natin yan. Little Beautiful. Beauty pala. So, una, what is this? I don't know. Wala nang pake dyan. Glitters. Pwede naman. Glitters. Glitters check. Okay naman. But this? No. Hindi to kailangan ni Jaira. Hindi ko to kailangan. This is dope. Wait. No. What's this? Makeup? Perfectly yes. Oh my gosh. Very glittery. And paper, yes. And 2. Rose. Okay. Check paper. Oh, this is no. What's this? This is an earbud. Check perfectly. It is blue. And out. Kalat. Oh, tatapon ko to. Yan. Ito naman Pelton pen ay tatabi ko. Alcohol, yes, perfectly. Dahil kasi nandito na yung coronavirus sa Philippines. Oh, another headset. It is red. Oh, another squishy. And what is this? I don't know. And that is ball pen. Nagnawalan ako. Wait, this is my eye. No. Perfectly yes. And this is yes. Oh, let's pick. Oh, what is this? Wallet? Okay. Oh. Perfectly yes. I know. Because hindi bata para maglaro si Jaiho. Ako. So that is no. So gano'n natin. Hindi yan Noah. This for lips. What is this? For lips again? Okay. And that is it. What is this? Okay. Oh, what is this? Ouch. Babango. Perfectly no. And yes. Because paborito ko ay blue. What is this? Say. Okay. What is this? Let's check. Nakalagay ay ginto ko. Ang bango. What is this? Sparkling. this? Okay. I will give this. Okay naman to. Ano ba tong isa? Oh, this is color 16. It's check. Ouch. Ouch. Lagyan natin blush. That is it. What is this? Okay, there's black, yellow, red. What is this? Blue and white and what is this? Verde. Ayan. Mamaya ako na siya. Ay, ngayon ko na ayusin. Because magulo siya. Ngayon ko na pala. Okay. What is this? Let's see about this. Oh. I don't know that. Perfectly, yes. And let's go here. And let's see, what is this? Paper? That's, what's this? Paper, okay. That is fine. Colored paper, check. Oh, what is this? Rose, black, pink, idol. Pinoy joke. Hanggang page 1 to 92. Okay, that is not bad. What is this? Ouch. Oh. Heart the item. Stick. Okay. It's perfectly. What is this? A color again? This is low. What is this? Ouch. Wallet. It's not. And wallet again. That is... May isa pa tayong bubuksan, no? Okay. A little beauty. Okay, let's see what we got here. This is no pile. Yes, pile. My pile. Okay. No pile. Wallet again. Tanong kung may laman ba. Oh my gosh, women 100. That is nice. Open. Okay, my pile. Yes, pile. Ay! Dadalhin niya ba ito sa school? G. Iran? Kung dadali mo ba to sa school? Yes. Of course. No. What is this? For example, let's open. I don't want it. Yes, fire. B. Yes, fire. It is. What is this? No fire. Salamin. Yes, no fire. Ballpen. Yes, fire. My fire. Ballpen. Yes, fire. Lip tint. No. That is sobrang dami din yan. It's nothing. Okay. This is wait. Alcohol. I need some things. Yes, pile. My pile. So, magkasama lang yan. Oh, what is this? Picture? Okay. So, aayusin ko na. Come back to part 2.